Here is Sid.
And here's the science kid.
Chapter 16, Section 1.
And we're going to teach you about
Light fundamentals.
You might be wondering, what exactly is light? Well, light is considered as an electromagnetic radiation that consists of waves that travel from its source in all directions.
Is that important?
Well, Bree, that's a really good question. Why is light so important? Well, sunlight powers all life on Earth, whether it's directly or indirectly. It benefits us, humans, plants, animals. It's for everyone. And, not to mention, think about trying to do daily life things without light.
What do you know about light, Gabby?
I know a lot about light, Bree. Let me teach you.
Well, what's the first thing that I need to know?
Well, first, let's start with Sir Isaac.
Okay, so sun, earth. I don't know how light gets to Earth. Go.
Hey, I noticed you were struggling understanding how to do a light ray diagram. Do you need help?
Stop.
Isaac Newton, and I discovered that light travels in a straight line. For example, here's the sun giving off light rays, and here's the earth. And here is an example of the sun's light ray going in a straight line all the way down to Earth.
Let's play a game. For the next few surfaces, try identifying which ones are which based on how the light goes through.
Some light is absorbed. Can you guess what the name of this surface is? This surface is called translucent. Did you guess right?
As you can see by the tool that Bree is using to give you an example of translucent, we see that when the light goes through, it becomes foggy. That's the point. It's not transparent because transparent you can see directly through, and it's not opaque because if it was opaque, you couldn't see through at all, which means translucent is giving you that foggy look. Now, can you guess what this next surface is? Look here at the small glass that I have. Can you tell me what kind of surface this is? Well, let's see. What happens when light gets through it? Let's try it. When light passes through this surface, you can completely see all the way through the other side, which means all light gets passed through. What does that mean for what kind of surface it is? Because all light rays were able to find themselves through the other side of this object here, this means that this object, the surface, is transparent. Did you guess correctly? It's time to guess at our last surface. What happens when light tries to get through this book? Hardcover book, so let's see what happens when light tries to get through. Light doesn't get through, not to the other side either. Can you guess what this means that this surface is? Considering that no light rays can find their way through this book, that means that this surface is opaque. Did you guess correctly? Although we understand that light is essential for all life on Earth, we do have to be careful with it because it can also do damage. For example, UVA light rays cause tanning and wrinkles. UVB rays cause sunburn and cancer. UVC rays are the most harmful type of sterilization.